guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another nail art tutorial to share with you guys, and this time it's on these floral nails with Aztec Print. They are super easy to do and look so much harder than they actually are. So if that's something you guys are interested in, then just keep on watching. So to complete this look, the products I used were a grey polish by El-corazon. This was my base. Then for the green leaves, I used two different shades of green by OPI, a dark green and a lighter green. So for the floral print, I used an off-white by OPI for the base of my flowers. I then used two shades of pink for the detailing around it and also inside the roses. I then also used a yellow again for more detail inside the flowers. So for the stamping today, I'll be using my trusty favourite Mundo white. I'll also be using the Tiffany stamper by Nail-Artisan. And then the stamping plate we'll be using today is the Lina Nail Art Supplies Feel and Shape Plate 09. And then to finally finish off the design, I'll be using a fast dry top coat by FLORALS. And then I'll also be using a matte top coat by OPI. So now that you've got all the products, let's jump right into the tutorial. So as always, to begin this look, I've already gone ahead and applied the first coat, and now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the second coat of this grey polish to all of the nails. So the next step is to go ahead and take a striping brush, and using the darker of the green polishes, we're going to do some vines down the whole nail and then fill in each vine with the leaves. I then also went ahead and added some little leaves into some of the bald spots of the nail, just so it looked a little bit more full. Now switching to the lighter of the green polishes, I'm going to go ahead and add some detailing into the inside of these leaves for a little bit extra dimension. So I've gone ahead and switched to a fine detail brush by Born Pretty Store, and I'm going to start adding some random dots for the body of the roses to various parts of this nail. So I went ahead and done two coats of this polish just so you didn't see any of the greenery underneath the roses. So using that China Glaze Dance Baby, which is the darkest of our pinks, I'm going to go ahead and add some little dots which are going to act as little florals underneath that Aztec print. So again, this has no rhyme or reason, you just want to fill up any part of the nail that you think is needing a little bit of colour to it, so it maybe looks a little bit bald. And again, I'm going to do the same with the yellow. So these have no rhyme or reason and they are super easy to do, but they look amazing underneath that Aztec print. So I've switched to a really fine detail brush and I'm using the same pink polish that we just used previously, and I'm going to start adding some details inside these flowers. So again, it doesn't have to be overly difficult, you just want to add some small C shapes to give these little roses a little bit of dimension. And then I went and did the exact same thing using the lighter pink to add a little bit of highlight inside that as well. And then before moving on to the next step, I went ahead and added a nice thick coat of FLORALS to smooth out that surface for the stamping. So you could definitely go ahead and just leave it at this floral stage because I really think these are some cute nails, but I wanted to add a little bit of extra. So using Feel and Shape Plate 09 by Lina Nail Art Supplies, I'm going to add some of these smaller prints down at the bottom, all the way down the nail. Then once I finish with the stamping, I'm going to go ahead and take a small detail brush in pure acetone and clean up around the cuticles. And then the next step is to go ahead and add a nice slick of fast dry top coat, and the reason I do this is because I find that sometimes if I go in with the matte top coat it will smudge my design. And then obviously the very last step in this design is to go ahead and add a matte top coat, but you could definitely leave this nice and shiny if you wish, but as you know I love things matte. So finally guys, that's this design complete. As you can see, it was super easy to do but looks so much harder. I actually love how it turned out. It's so chic and girly, I totally love it, and I really hope you guys do too. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, I would totally appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Kylie, I am a complete nail polish addict, and on this channel you will find everything from nail art to swatches, reviews and the occasional haul. I upload every Monday and Friday, so if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!